Okay guys, so when you walk in, you walk straight into the living room, and the living room looks like this. When you turn around, on the opposite side is the kitchen, and then the door that I came out of. And this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. To the left is a bedroom, and then to the right is another bedroom. So these two doors right here are my washer and dryer, which sits down low. And here's my living room. It's just a big open concept. And it has like these really nice windows that I absolutely love. And I have this mirror right here that I also really love. Got this mirror from IKEA. And then out here is my balcony. So I just have my little wigs out there just hanging out and drying. I'm gonna just open the door so you guys can see it. So this is the balcony, and it's just my wigs here. I'm gonna close the door so you guys can see from this angle. So I'm gonna just run through like where I got everything from in this video. This video is gonna be straight to the point because I don't want to do too much of a hard edit. So to the top here is the IKEA Reba picture frames, and then I got the pictures in the picture frames from Etsy, and I'll link that down below for you guys to see where I got it from. And then here I have my carpet. I got my carpet from Ross. I got the center table from Ross. I got the cross from my god-grandmother. I got this little booklet from AliExpress. I got the candle from Ross, and then the little thing from Paris right here is from Paris. And then just I have my vase, which I usually put like a orange flower inside of, but it died, so I threw it out. And then my couch is from Nebraska Furniture Mat. Nebraska Furniture Mat, I want to believe. The blankets are from Burlington. The black pillows from Amazon, and then the white pillowcase is from the white furry pillowcase is from IKEA. So the pillows inside of the pillowcase is just one of the regular pillows that I have on my couch, and I just put the pillowcase over it. And then over here, I have the kitchen. It's so bright and nice. I absolutely am obsessed with my kitchen. So this bar stool is from Overstock. This vase is from Ross. The flowers from Ross. Candles from Ross. The little pyramids are from Egypt. And then over here we have my trash can, and I have this little thing right here that I usually put my fruits and vegetables on, but right now I have my iron there. I have my robot from Best Buy. Picture frame is from, or this picture canvas is from Home Goods. And then I have my pot, my Google Home, my kettle, and my knife set, which is from Amazon as well. And yeah, that is pretty much my living area for you. And this plant, I actually bought this plant from Facebook Market a while back. I absolutely love it. I got my TV from Best Buy. It's a Samsung QLED TV. And then my speakers are also from Best Buy. So I'm just gonna give you guys one last tour of the living room so you can get a nice view. Oh, that is the Hovert mirror from IKEA as well. But here's one last glance of what the living room is looking like. Guys, this place is absolutely jaw-dropping. I love it so much. And this place is called the Skylark for anyone who is interested. Skylark Atlanta. I'm moving out. That's why I'm letting you guys know where I live. I'm gonna miss it so much. So here's my bedroom. And once again, the bedroom has those windows that I'm absolutely obsessed with. The bedroom is literally beautiful. I'm obsessed with this place, to be honest. And you can see the kitchen from the bedroom, and I look crazy, don't mind me. I'm gonna come over here so you can see it even better. So yeah, this is what the bedroom is looking like. It's so clean, minimal, and relaxing. So now I'm gonna go over what's in my bedroom. So I got these two mirrors from Home Goods. No, I got these two mirrors from Home Depot. I got the plants from Burlington. The nightstand is from Macy's. This plant over here is from Amazon. The plant pot is from Ross. And then my bed is from just one random one-off furniture store in Dallas, Texas, that I bought when I was living in Dallas. My comforter is from Ross or Home Goods. This blanket is definitely from Steinmart. I love this blanket. It's really cute. Like the fur, it keeps it nice, clean, and neutral. And then I have the little basket over there. The basket is from Burlington as well. Blanket is from Burlington. TV is from Best Buy. And then over here is my closet to the left, which is extremely small. So I'm not going to show you guys the closet. There's literally nothing in there. It's just a closet. I have a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, so I utilize my other closet as my main closet. This closet here just has a few things. This apartment have the highest ceilings I've ever had literally in my life. I mean, look at how tall the ceilings are. And then, as I mentioned, my closet is super small, so my bathroom is huge, and I utilize a lot of the bathroom space to store my stuff. So this is the bathroom. I'm gonna turn on the lights. So when you walk in, right here is my shoes and my purses on this rack right here that I built from Amazon. I have my picture frame, my shower, my blanket. And then this is like my sink, and then some more storage stuff right here, and my shower. So for whatever reason, this apartment is super duper spacious, but for whatever reason, they made the closets so tiny and the bathroom so big. So I just utilized all that space here just to like put some of my stuff, store some of my stuff. Like I said, I have a 2-bedroom, and also all of the floor plans are not like this. The other floor plans have bigger closets, but this was the cheapest at the time I was moving, and I was looking for affordability at the time. So that is why I went with this unit. I absolutely love it. If you live in Atlanta, definitely come and check it out, because sis, you will not be disappointed. I mean, look at how gorgeous this place is. Like, everyone who comes here, comes to visit me, they're like literally in awe and in love with my place. Okay, so now we're gonna go to the next room. This is the HVAC door right here, and then on this side is the bathroom door, and it's connected to like the exterior, and it's also connected to the room. So this is the second bedroom. I use this bedroom as my office / hair room. Here is like all my YouTube and hair stuff right here. Here again, I have my IKEA set up. I got the frames from IKEA. And then the pictures from Etsy as well. I don't have much in this room. It's just a nice empty room. I like it how empty it is, because I can utilize all this space when I'm recording. Here's my desk. The desk is also from IKEA. The chair is from Ross. And then over here in this corner, I have this plant and this mirror. The mirror is from Overstock, and then the plant is from Ross. And then this little stand is from Ross as well. And then this is basically this room right here. I know the walls look black, but it's still light, and it's actually very white in here. So I'm gonna do a 360 again, so you guys can kind of just see what the room is looking like. And this picture frame right here need a picture. And then this wall right here is another closet where I store all my clothes as well. And I'm not gonna go in there because I just wanna keep that private. So like I told you, see the walls are white. For whatever reason, the light is making it dark. So now we're gonna come into the second bathroom. Let me get the light for you guys. So here's the second bathroom. And it has a shower, stand-up shower. And guys, please excuse the makeup stain on my shower curtain. I had a girl who I knew come over, and she literally decided to baptize my whole house with her makeup. So I have to figure out how to get that makeup off. And then, yeah, this is pretty much the bathroom. And same with my carpet, is makeup on my carpet, but I'll have to figure out how to get rid of that. And frames from IKEA. Bathroom stuff is all from Home Goods and Ross. And this is pretty much what my apartment looks like. I want you guys to comment down below and let me know, what do you think? Do you like it? What's your favorite part about my apartment? Is there any other questions you have? I'm gonna try to link everything down below that I've talked about in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. And I'll see you guys on my next video. You guys have a wonderful week.